Are you prepared to manage your diabetes in an emergency? An unexpected event could leave you stranded, disrupting your usual routine and limiting your access to healthcare supplies. Having an emergency diabetes kit can save your life. Take action by putting together a diabetes kit that includes all the essential information and supplies. Here's how to get started. Assemble your diabetes emergency kit in a waterproof and insulated container. This will help protect the contents from moisture, heat, and cold. Work with your diabetes care team to put together a binder listing all of your health information. Next, you'll want to pack some important supplies to have on hand, such as blood glucose testing supplies, insulin, and if prescribed, severe hypoglycemia emergency therapy. Be sure to include a 2-day supply of non-perishable foods and at least a 3-day supply of bottled water. Finally, pack a first aid kit along with a pen and notepad to record your blood sugar levels and any new symptoms you experience. Keep your emergency kit in a safe place that's easy to find. And remember, don't pack your insulin until you're ready to go. Check your kit every 3 months for expiration dates on food and medications. Enjoy the peace of mind knowing you planned ahead and are prepared for any emergencies that may come your way. Download the full copy of your diabetes emergency plan checklist at ace.com/plan.